Let's write our cursive writing using names of some cakes. You love cakes, don't you? Does your mommy make cake? Yes, sometimes she bakes cakes for you. Otherwise, for your birthday, mommy's birthday, what do? You go to a baker and ask him to make special cake with special flavor. Let's look at some of the cakes that you love to eat, flavors. Okay? Now, chocolate cake. All of us love chocolate cake. You go to a baker and say, get me a 1 kg chocolate cake. Or mommy says, I'm going to bake a chocolate cake for you. Let's write CHOCOLAT, chocolate cake. CAKE, cake. Let's write CHOCOLATE, chocolate, cake. CAKE, cake, chocolate cake. Chocolate cake. What's the next flavor you will like? Strawberry cake. We love strawberries. Yes, what does the baker do? Put lovely chilled strawberry on top with the strawberry flavor. What's the color of the strawberry cake? Nice dark pink. Strawberry. 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 Let's write ST R A W B E R R Y. Strawberry cake. CAKE, strawberry cake. Is that your favorite? Okay. Next. What is the next cake you will like? Who likes to eat a caramel cake? Lovely caramel cake. The baker put lots of nuts on top. It will be crunchy. Okay. How do you spell caramel? CARAMEL. Caramel. Cake. Let's write CARA. Cara. Caramel. Cake. CAKE. This caramel cake is very crunchy, lots of nuts, crispy. Yes. Next, vanilla cake. It'll be nice, plain, but the taste is delicious. VANILLA. 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 Vanilla cake. 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 Vanilla. Look at the 4 types of cake that you love to taste. Chocolate. CHOCOLAT. Chocolate. CAKE. Cake. Strawberry cake. STRAWBERRY. Strawberry. CAKE. Cake. Next is caramel cake. CARAMEL. Caramel. CAKE. Cake. Next is vanilla. 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 CAKE. Cake. Let's take the next set of 4 cakes, different types of flavored cake, to write a cursive writing. Now, some of you might love nice green color, lovely light green color cake, lots of nuts on it. What is that green color cake called? Pista. 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 It's a beautiful flavored nut cake. Pista cake. Let's try it. Pista, pista cake. Cake, cake. It's a nice green, lovely, tasty cake. Pista cake, lots of nuts on it. Now, some of you might like raspberry. It's a nice berry. It's a very tasty, delicious cake. R-A-S, B-E-R-R-Y, raspberry cake. It's a lovely. R-A-S-B-R-A, Pia. Pirka. The next flavored cake is raspberry. R-A-S-P-B-E-R-R-Y, raspberry. C-A-K-E, cake. How many of you like raspberry cake? Very special cake, very expensive cake, a tasty cake. Let's try it. R-A-S-P-B-E-R-R-Y, raspberry cake. C-A-K-E, cake. Next, how many of you like rich cake that's got full of chocolate, and that's called Black Forest cake? Lovely cream. Yes? Who likes that? Yes, some of us like to have Black Forest cake. Is a very rich, tasty. B-L-A-C-K, Black, F-O-R-E-S-T, Black Forest. And this Black Forest cake will have nice chocolate, white cream, and on top what will you have? Cherries, red cherries, and it look really delicious. Let's try it. Black Forest cake. B-L-A-C-K, black. F-O-R-E-S-T, Black Forest cake. C-A-K-E, expensive, delicious cake. Yes? Next. Some of us love pineapple. Mommy, get me a pineapple cake. Lovely, delicious taste. P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E, pineapple cake. Let's try it. P-I-N-E, pine. A-P-P-L-E, pine apple cake. C-A-K-E. The pineapple cake also is very tasty and delicious. Let's look at the 4 different type of cake. We have written P-I-S-T-A, pista. C-A-K-E, cake. Pista cake. Next, raspberry cake. R-A-S-P-B-E-R-R-Y, raspberry. C-A-K-E, raspberry cake. Next, Black Forest cake. B-L-A-C-K-F-O-R-E-S-T, Black Forest. C-A-K-E, Black Forest cake. And finally, pineapple cake. P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E, pineapple. C-A-K-E, cake.